physical cover, physical protection from the cold. So when I say about physical cover, it comes in the form of like garden fleece, bubble wrap, sacking. Now, if you remember a few weeks ago, I couldn't remember what the one that was that I was trying to remember. It was straw. It was like, what else can you shove into the sacking around your plants to insulate your plants, to insulate from the cold? I was saying like newspaper and things, and it was straw. Straw and sacking works really well together, and that creates a really nice insulation and protects your plants from the cold really well. So yeah, garden fleece, bubble wrap, sacking, insulated with like newspaper and straw. So you can use those. You can also use a cloche, like a bell cloche, or a tunnel, like a little miniature polytunnel, or a big polytunnel if you've got big plants. So tunnels and a cold frame as well. So cold frames can be really good because you can get lighter weight cold frames so you can move around your garden if you want to. Or if you've got little pots that you want to put in somewhere to protect them and you haven't got a greenhouse, a cold frame works really well to protect them. You can shut the lid on them and it's like a miniature greenhouse for them. So it's perfect. So a cold frame works really well to provide this kind of cover. So yes, it's the same. There's many different forms of physical cover. Okay. So cover like this can insulate your plants from the cold whilst reducing damage. Now, the damage your plants can get from the cold can leave them vulnerable from diseases and can often affect them as they go right through the year, the new growing year. So from winter, follow through the seasons, back into winter again. So it can affect your plants through the whole new year, which is going to cause you a lot more work, a lot more effort, a lot more stress. You're going to have to feed them more to help them recover. So with cover to protect your plants from this challenge, you can prevent the ongoing issues, which is perfect. Reducing the workload, reducing the stress that it gives you, they're reducing the costs on you as well. So it's perfect. So they're very easy ways to kind of apply these forms of protection. So say you could just wrap them in fleece. You can get horticultural fleece or garden fleece from any garden centre. You can get them off Amazon, for goodness sake, and just wrap it around your plants. So you can tie it with string. You can tape it if you want to, like duct tape. Depends on how windy your garden gets to say if it'll stay there or not, but that works. But you can tie it with string. You can tie it on itself as well. That works really well. So garden fleece is probably the easiest way to go. But if you've got an abundance of bubble wrap, if you've just moved house, that works very well as well. So physical cover for the cold, insulating your plants to reduce damage.